How to use Snapchat Charms feature step by step. To use the Snapchat Charm feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, all you have to do is now go ahead and open the Friends profile or Group profile by tapping on this chat option. You can also simply tap on your Friends icon on the top right corner. From here, you now simply have to go ahead and scroll down past the saved snaps, shared locations, and chat media until you reach the Charms section. Once you find it, you simply have to now go ahead and then tap on any of these cards. Once you tap on it, you should be able to find why you earned that charm and the date it was added. You will also find more details over here. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.